Seriously, watercolouring doesn't get any easier than this. Hi, it's Therese in Lostinpaper, and we have a summer of stamping at Ellen Hutson, and I've stamped out the Mondo Pansy here, and I wanted to do some really simple watercolouring today. These are some Daniel Smith's colours, and it's a half pan set of 6 in a little bonus travel case. Obviously I'm using my palette to mix my colours on here because I don't want to make a mess in my travel case. Is that weird? Kind of, just a little bit. Anyway, I am just putting a wash of colour over the image, so it really doesn't get any easier than this. This is the floral set, so it's perfect for if you are a flower person and like to colour flowers. It's got most of the colours that you could use and mix and make so many different colours with this, so I didn't want to complicate it. So what I did here was lay out the colours, mix them on my palette, and just added a lot of water and created a wash over the card. I did let it dry in between because watercolours do dry lighter, and I wanted to add a little bit of depth, but not much, because this is a really simple card. If you need a really quick card, then this is the one to create. I use the Obsidian black ink because it's waterproof once it's dry, and like I said, the colours do dry lighter. So I did come in with my heat tool, which has the dual setting on it, so I used the low heat setting so it doesn't scorch the paper, and come back in and added the paint direct to the center of the flower because I wanted that red, which is the quinacridone rose, to be nice and bright. And I made sure that I coloured outside the lines in a few spots too. I tried not to overthink it. I also added a sentiment from the same stamp set, just with the black ink again. Cut the panel down, which is some Ranger watercolour cardstock. It's a nice white, thick watercolour cardstock, and held up to the paints really well. I was impressed. It's been a while since I've used this cardstock, and I didn't use the textured side. Maybe next time. So thanks so much for joining me. I hope you're enjoying this summer of stamping at Ellen Hutson. If you liked the video, please click on the thumbs up, and if you haven't already, it'd be great if you could subscribe. I'll see you here real soon. Till next time, happy paper crafting. Bye.